Today we discuss about EPRG framework. It is an international market orientation. First of all, it has been taught by Dr. Howard Perlmutter of University of Pennsylvania. He observed that there are three basic orientations guiding the work of international executives: ethnocentric, polycentric, geocentric. This was later expanded into regional orientation and became EPRG scheme. Ethnocentrism, polycentricism, region-centricism, geocentricism. This typology summarized as the basis for the stages of corporate development framework. The ethnocentric orientation, it is an assumption that the home country is superior. It believes that the product and practice that succeed in the home country is superior and therefore should be used everywhere. In the ethnocentric company, overseas operations are viewed as being secondary to domestic and primarily as a means of disposing a surplus domestic production. Plans for overseas markets are developed in the home office utilizing policies and procedures identical to those employed at home. There is no systematic marketing research conducted overseas, and there are no major modifications to products, and there is no real attention to customer needs in foreign markets. Now, the polycentric orientation, it is just opposite to ethnocentric orientation. This is the unconscious belief that each host country is unique and different, that the way to succeed in each country is to adapt to each country's unique differences. In the polycentric state, subsidiaries are established in overseas markets and each subsidiary operates independently of the others and establishes its own marketing objectives and plans. Marketing is organized on a country-by-country basis, with each country having its own unique marketing policy. In the regiocentric and geocentric phases, the company views the region or the entire world as a market and seeks to develop integrated regional or world market strategies. The geocentric orientation is a systematic of the ethnocentric and polycentric orientation. The regiocentric or regional orientation is a geocentric orientation that is limited to a region. That is, management will have a world view towards its region but will regard the rest of the world with either an ethnocentric or a polycentric orientation or a combination of these two. The ethnocentric company is centralized in its marketing management. The polycentric company is decentralized, and regiocentric and geocentric companies are integrated. The ethnocentric orientation is based on belief that in home country superiority that leads to an extension of home country products, policies and programs. The assumption of the polycentric approach is that there are so many differences in cultural, economic and market conditions in each of the countries of the world that it is impossible to attempt to introduce any product, policy, program from outside or to integrate any country's program in a regional or world context. To implement the geocentric orientations, experienced international management and a great deal of commitment are required. For companies with limited experience, it may be wiser to adopt a centralized or a decentralized strategy and wait until experience accumulates before attempting to design and implement integrated marketing programs. Thank you.